In this video, we're going to be learning about reciprocals. A reciprocal is created by dividing the number 1 by the number. In this example, 1 divided by a fraction is the same as 1 times by 9 over 8. This is equal to 9 over 8. A key feature of the original number 8 over 9 and its reciprocal 9 over 8 is that if we multiply them, we get 1. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So if I divide 1 by the number, I will get its reciprocal. When I divide by a fraction, it's the same as timesing by, in this case, 2 over 1. 1 times 2 over 1 is 2 over 1, which is 2. The reciprocal of a half is 2. But likewise, the reciprocal of 2 is a half.